Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the infotainment system in any new Chevy Silverado or a GMC Sierra. So this is a really easy to use system. It's really easy. You also have built-in wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. All you have to do is just connect your phone via Bluetooth or just plug it into this USB down here below. And then you also have a built-in Play Store. You also have audio, so you can you can stream from your phone via Bluetooth, USB, AM, FM, news, podcast. You have everything like that. And then you also have the cameras as well. If we just want to take a look, you also have built-in Google Maps, which do get updates regularly. It is super smooth maps, easy to use. And you also have a dedicated trailering app as well. All you have to do is just enter in the information how long the trailer is, what is the weight, and then it will just help you out with everything. And you also have built-in Amazon Alexa as well. And you also have your climate controls up here as well, and then also physical climate controls as well. And then also the other good thing is that on the right side you can actually display something else as well, such as Google Maps, your audio trailing, or even a clock as well. So that is a really nice touch by GM. And you do also have Wi-Fi hotspot as well, and then also all of your a vehicle setting and also the infotainment settings as well. So all of my collision safety systems, door locks, lighting, and all that. And then this also has a built-in Google as well, so I could just ask any question about the vehicle or about something else. So for example, if I ask it where I'm going or where I have to go, it will automatically show it up for me, which is really easy and also really useful. And there you go. So now it just made a route to the nearest gas station. That's really helpful tech. So hopefully you guys did like this video and found it helpful. If you did, please do subscribe, and share this video. And then also please do press that bell icon so you can see more of my videos. Thank you. Have a great day.